It's time to play the game.
We just rolled up on another one. Got ourselves a Ford Edge, ran up over a curb stop. Shouldn't be too big of a deal. Hey, how y'all doing?
Pretty good. Oh.
Hey, I tell you what, it ain't gonna slide nowhere.
Huh?
It ain't gonna slide nowhere.
No. I got a bolt rat, and as soon as I got over rat, I got a bolt rat, and I tried to get it go out.
Shouldn't be nothing too bad here, I don't believe. We'll get her right up and over. You just get this switched over to a manual free spool.
I do. I told him I told him that.
Just be glad you got a remote.
I love the remote part of it.
Remember, line that pin up with that slot. Yeah, line the pin up, the screw pin that holds your shaft. Yep, line that up with that slot and then make sure that chain is the right length. Exhaust is in the way on these. Tell you what we'll do, grab your short yellow recovery strap. Just that short one with the blue loops on it. Yep. We'll go right around one of those rear control arms. Ooh.
Nothing busy, huh?
We're getting there. It's picking up a little bit this morning. Come on, girl. There we go. Yep. All right. You in neutral, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right. I'm just gonna winch you back right over that pile, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You can turn to your right. All right, go ahead and hit your brake, or go ahead and put it in park for me. No problem. We got another winch out to do. You may as well just leave that snatch block on. Just put the chain away. We can today. The other one's right up the road.
You said we can today.
Watch your knees, sorry. You're good. No, ideally you shouldn't, but our other one's right up the road. We're gonna need it out in just a second anyway. Go ahead and grab your V-bridle. Yeah. All right, go ahead and pull forward. We'll make sure he can get out. Here's your remote. Go ahead and see if you can back out. There you go. Oh, thank you very much. Hey, it'll get drinks, that's for sure. Thank you, thank you. There's lunch. My door open, you in reverse probably.
Oh, great. I told them that we lose air. I lose air all the time since Danny put free on there. We can't.
Go ahead and just back all the way out. Go to that T there. All right, we're another one down. We're on to the next one. Dealing with cold truck problems too. Cold truck air brake problems and got all that going on. So we're gonna get out of this one. Move on to the next. It's right up the road. Oof. Hopefully it stays quick and simple like that today. Maybe we'll get something a little more challenging. Who knows? But this is Steven. Everybody that's new to the channel, this is Steven Smith. He's our trainer up here in Vine Grove. And we're just up here getting stuff done today. So hopefully it remains this good and keep getting some more calls. All right, we're back out here. We were on an accident, but I didn't end up getting all that because the camera died. So that's no fun, but we got us a good one. Come up to Louisville and we got ourselves a heavy and a rollback. All right, what do you have for straps? Let's see what he's got. See if we can do a floating strap here. Let's go with these. Is this one of the long ones? Yeah, this is a long one. This should work. Yep, just one, and then your snatch block and a chain. Yep. Yep. And a chain, and that's it. Yep. Chain will stay on the bed. Go ahead and take your photos and get all your info for tow books. We're gonna double this up because it's about half loaded box truck. You're good. Yeah. I'm gonna let you winch it out.
Okay, yeah.
Get that in there. There we go. Ooh. That's all right, I'll show you. So I just had to get some more cable on the drum because we about used it all. So snatch block.
That on this side.
Yeah, so this is doubling your line. So what this does is it gives your line more strength, right?
Yeah.
So now instead of having one line run until you have two.
Okay.
So it doubles your working load limit of the winch.
That's pretty cool.
Right. We'll use the controls for this. Don't use the remote. Okay. All right, sir. Go ahead and don't use the remote because that's full throttle or nothing. We want to be able to feather this. Go ahead and just get that tightened up all the way. Just get it tight till you start pulling against the box truck. Yeah. Get it tight. All right. Yep. Go ahead and start it up, put it in neutral, and turn it to your right just a little bit. Actually, I tell you what, put it in drive, but let it idle. Don't give it any gas. Go ahead. All right, now you can go to neutral now that we got you out of that original hole. That way you don't try to run up on the cable once it starts going. Now your cable's nice and perfectly wrapped. So by running that strap, that flat strap to both hooks, that allows your snatch block to float along that strap and give a perfectly even pull across both of those tow hooks. So you don't overload one or the other. See how it just jumped?
Going all the way to my
Yeah,
bed.
we'll bring them all the way to your bed, and then we'll pull forward and get them up here on the flat ground a little more. That's good right there. Always leave a couple feet, if you can, between your hook and your block. Yep. All right, we'll pull forward, and then we'll pull you out just a little bit farther and get you up here on the all the way up on the flat. Unless, is it here where you want it, or you want to go more?
Yeah, I mean, we can unhook it and see if I can move it.
Okay. Yeah, we can do that. It'll only take a second. So, go ahead and slide your bed back some. Yeah, it's like it just loosens up the cable without messing up our pretty wrap. There you go. No, I might need a little more. All right. All right, go ahead and flatten your deck out and store it. Good? Okay, go ahead and Thomas, if you want to go ahead and get everything put up real quick, and we'll get out of here. Get out of the driveway. No problem.